somebody's going to be a mentor, they need to have every competence that a coach has, plus they also need a lot of relevant experience. Really about mentoring is about wisdom. The original mentor, the goddess Athena, was the goddess of wisdom. What mentors do is to help people gain wisdom by using their own wisdom, to ask them the right questions, to help them explore and reflect upon the experiences that they have. So great mentors tend to have great skills of questioning, they have great skills of listening. They have the ability to be a great role model. They help people to understand the politics of organizations. They help people think about how they're going to create the resources, particularly networks, that will support them in achieving their career and other aspirations. They're there to support the person on their journey of discovery. So all the competencies relate primarily to how you support somebody as they learn and as they become more mature, become the person that they aspire to be. Now we can look at some underlying qualities as well. 3 particular qualities come out for both great coaches and great mentors. One of those qualities is the quality of compassion. Actually caring about other people, and particularly the person that they're working with. But with compassion comes self-compassion. Being able to actually forgive yourself for not being perfect. And alongside that comes the power of humility. So being humble is a part of being compassionate. So that's the first one, compassion. The second one is curiosity. Mentors have this sense of interest in the other person. They are genuinely interested in how that person makes sense of the world and where that person wants to go and their environment and how they see the world. So mentors are constantly learning from their mentees. And the last one is courage. Mentors have the capacity to ask the questions that nobody else will, to actually make the person to think deeply by bringing into play those kinds of questions that push you to reflect more on what's going on inside you than on the superficial elements of what's happening to you.
Can you train those skills, or are they inborn?
To a large extent, people can learn a lot of these skills, but they have to have the basic qualities of compassion, curiosity and courage. If you don't have those three things, then you're never going to be able to really use the other skills that you have. You might be a great communicator, but if you're not compassionate, you'll never be able to establish the quality of rapport and trust that's really important within a mentoring relationship.